Welcome back. In this video, we are going to create all the AWS resources we'll need. We'll start off by creating an AWS user who only has programmatic access. We shall create a user called YouTube Java user. We shall only give this user programmatic access. We shall ignore the policies, but add some tags. Then we review and create. We must remember to download the CSV that contains the credentials. Next, we are going to add some inline policies. We should choose the service as SNS. Select all actions. For the resources, we shall use specific resource and add the region, which is Singapore. And then any topic. Add, and then review, and then give it a name. We shall call it Inline SNS Singapore. And then create. Next, we are going to add a permission for the SQS. Select all actions, specific resource, only the Singapore region, and all queues. We should review and give it a name. Inline SQS Singapore. And then create. For this tutorial, we'll be using the AWS SDK for Java, but we'll be using the version 2. You can find a lot of examples in their GitHub channels, which is this, and to have it enabled in Java, you need to download the Maven repository dependency. We'll be using the version 2.18.16. So we'll copy this and include it in our Maven project. We shall copy and paste this into our POM file in our project. We are going to start off by creating a utilities class. We shall call it Amazon Utils. This class is going to have a public static method called that returns an SNS client called get SNS client, and it's going to take a properties object. For now, we shall let it return null. We shall import the dependencies we need. We'll start off by creating the properties for the credentials and also creating the regions object. Next, we shall build the client using the builder interface. Start off with the region, then the credentials, using the static provider credentials to create it from the credential value, and then we build. In the end, we return the client. We are now going to create a program that's able to create SNS topics in AWS. So we shall call this, have a main, finish. We are going to props, use our prop loader, dot read props from resources, config dot properties, import this. Next, we are going to have an SNS client. Some utils dot the props. Next, we are going to create SNS topic rn is equal to, what we'll do, we are going to create a stub. Create SNS takes a client and then takes a string, YouTube dev topic 1, create method. Yeah, so that does that for us. So with this, surround with a try and catch. Let's just put everything in here and make this an exception. So with this, we can create multiple. So topic 1, topic 2, topic 3. Let's run the application and see if it works. Yeah, it does seem to work without any problems. So just to make sure that it works, we can put done. Next, we go into the utils and build this out. To build an SNS topic, you need to use the create topic request builder. So create topic, create equals to create dot builder dot name, which is topic name, dot build. Then you get a response with a response object. call the SNS client dot create topic. That's good. Let's have a thread dot sleep for 500 milliseconds, and then we return the create response. Yep, that's it. One thing that I think will be good is that after creating the topics or any AWS resource, we should be able to delete them just soon after we verify that they are there. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to create an object, a hash map that holds the names of the resources. Import all that we need. Next, we are going to start off by creating an entry for the topics. So we're going to put be a new array list of strings. We're then going to pass this to the methods. We need to update that as well. After we create the resource, we need to so return back here. So what we're going to do is that we are going to create the topics, and then we are going to pause and then delete the resources which we have created. So I will just copy something which I've done before. Deleting the SNS topic involves just using a delete topic request object. So import this as well, and then import this as well. So now I think we should be able to give it a try and see if it works. So topic created, so it's paused and it's waiting for us to continue. So we'll go into the AWS console to see if the topics have been created. Yep, you see the topics. 1, 2, 3. You can check the policies. These are the standard policies that are being used. So next, we go back to our program, and then we press any key to continue. So it's deleting them one after the other. So they're all done. Go back into console, F5. So they no longer exist. So now we know that the creation of SNS topics works. In the next video, we are going to try creating the SQS and have subscriptions and filters applied to them.